In the industrial economy, people were mostly hired for using their hands and for their physical strength. And management was a bit easier then because the variables were much fewer. The instructions were clearer because people would be told to dig a trench that is that long, and the trench that is this wide, and a trench that is this deep. Now, doing that will mean that those that were in management positions, they knew exactly what needed to be done. And motivating those people required extrinsic motivation, which was mainly about the stick and the carrot. So if you do something, you get a carrot. But if you don't do it, you get a stick. So that's how things went in the industrial economy. And now fast forward, we are in what we call now knowledge economy. So in this knowledge economy, people are hired for using their thinking, for using their brains, and for using their innovation and creativity. And this is now the era that Peter Drucker called the era of 3 C's. So the era of accelerated change, overwhelming complexity, and tremendous competition. So which means that there are so many things that are happening now at once. It's no longer just about your physical appearance and about your physical strength, but it's mainly about how your brain is being used and how you can be able to think and be creative. So as a result of that, now things have changed. That means that the way that we managed during industrial age or during industrial economy is much more different now than it was then. Because right now people need to be connected to their they need to be intrinsically motivated, no longer extrinsically motivated. So leaders need to understand that the environment has changed from industrial economy to knowledge economy. Now people need to understand how their brains work. So as a leader, are you really leading the way you're supposed to be leading, or are you leading in darkness? Now, leadership darkness is all about bullying. It's all about not understanding how the brain works. It's all about narcissism. It's all about intimidating those people that you lead. So I help people transform from a place of mental darkness to mental light, where people understand, especially leaders and their teams, understand how their brain works. Because when you understand how your brain works, you are able to motivate and to inspire those people that you lead, which is what we currently need right now in this knowledge economy. Are you ready to move from mental darkness to mental light? Then I'm here. Please do give me a call and let's engage further.